5 equal 20, 6 equal 30, 7 equal 42, so 3 equal what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? If you haven't, please watch my solution in this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look. 5 to 20, how can we reach? By multiply 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. 6 to 30, 6 times 5 is 30. So what we have noticed, 5 we have multiplied with the number that is preceded of this. So 5 times 4 is 20. Preceded of 6 is 5. So predecessor of 7 is 6. 7 times 6 is 42. So 3 equal question marks. So we have to multiply 3 with its predecessor, that is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So what replaces the question mark? 6. Did you crack the logic? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.